Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yazz'n and you're watching Yazz'n It Up. And today's video, I have for you guys another haul. I did just upload a Target and Walmart haul. If you guys have not seen it, I will link it in the eye for you guys. Basically, I got a bunch of clothes and shoes and some makeup, and it was a collab with another YouTuber. Like I said, I'll link it up in the eye if you guys missed it. But today I have a massive makeup haul. I went to Box Lunch, which is like a cute little nerd store, but they do have some makeup. So I did get one item from there. I ordered from Morphe, Too Faced, and Urban Decay. I was thinking of placing an order on Sephora, but I'm gonna put a pause on that because I was like, I don't really need all this makeup. So I just have these items to share with you guys. If you enjoyed today's makeup haul, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's the red button down below. You will get notified when I upload new videos by clicking on that little bell next to it. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what makeup items I picked up. So we actually went to a mall, and like I said, Box Lunch is like this cute little nerd store. Has a whole bunch of Disney stuff, a whole bunch of like anime, TV shows. It is literally one of the cutest stores. My sisters introduced me to it, and I bought a couple presents there, but I also purchased a palette. So this is what the bag looks like. Box Lunch is what it's called. You could also order online. Like I said, the cutest stuff. So the palette that I got is from Lilo and Stitch. I used to love Lilo and Stitch when I was younger. They had a TV show that I would literally watch all the time, so this is definitely like childhood memories. So this is the Disney Lilo and Stitch eyeshadow palette. They actually had two from Lilo and Stitch, but this is the one I picked. This is totally giving me like ColourPop vibes, and this has 12 eyeshadows in it. Let me go ahead and open it up, and this was only $16.90, so pretty affordable. So here's what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is so cute. It is like super Hawaiian vibes, and I love the colors in here. We have some shimmers and we have a couple mattes, but I love all the blues and the greens, and has some neutrals. I think this is a very versatile palette, and I can see myself getting a lot of looks out of this. I'm just super excited because it was Lilo and Stitch, and I used to love them, like I said, but I think this palette is just adorable. I don't know how the quality is, but I'm super excited to be playing with this. So this is the item I picked up from Box Lunch. Next, let's move into what I got from Urban Decay. So the first one I got here is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. It says it's smoothing, and it's made with rosehip and argan oil, and it's pore perfecting. So I think this is just the mini size. I'm pretty sure there is a size bigger than this, so I just got the mini size because I wanted to try it out. But this is what she looks like, and I've been very interested in Urban Decay primers. I've heard a lot of YouTubers that talk about this, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try for myself. I love the packaging. It is so sleek and clean, and I'm very excited to be trying this out. And the reason I went on Urban Decay's website was because I saw that the honey palette was 50% off. My cousin texted me and she messaged me on Instagram saying that Urban Decay was having their sale and this was 50% off. This was $24.50 according to my receipt. So it was 50% off of the original price. And if you guys have not seen my palette wish list, I will link that up in the eye. And I said that I was wanting this palette, and it was just perfect timing that once I uploaded that, my cousin texted me and Urban Decay was having their sale. So it worked out perfectly. But this is so pretty. Oh my god. I didn't even open any of these things because I wanted to do the haul first, but this is what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen the Naked Honey palette before. It just has beautiful like yellows and neutrals and like these yummy browns in it. I am so excited to be using this palette. I've been wanting it ever since it came out, and now that I got my hands on it, I cannot wait to play with this. I actually have the Naked 2 in my everyday makeup drawer right now, so I'm very much looking forward to putting this in my everyday makeup drawer coming up soon. Alright, next let's go ahead and dive into my order that I got from Morphe. So I ordered a lot of eyeshadow palettes. The first one I have here, this is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. This was also in my wish list. I'm so excited to get my hands on this. This was not on sale, but some of the other palettes I got from Morphe were on sale. So this was just beautiful. I have the first one, and I don't use it as much as I thought I would, but this one I really think I'm gonna get my money's worth. These shades are just so up my alley. You get, ooh, perfect. You get some neutral tones and some pinks and purples, and I think this is just so gorgeous. It has a range of mattes, glitters, shimmers. There's just so much in here. So many colors that you can play with, and I definitely think I'm getting a lot of use out of this sky, especially during like Valentine's Day and like springtime. I feel like this would be really good, but you could also use it during the fall because all these warm tones over here. So this I'm very, very excited about. Next Morphe item I picked up, this is the Morphe and Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. This is the Starberry set. I actually have one of these in my collection. I used it in a Get Ready With Me. I will link that in the eye, but I ended up picking this up because it was only $5. I think originally it was $16 and then it went to $8 when I purchased it, my first one, and then now it was $5 on the Morphe store. So I don't know if it's still $5, but I feel like $5 for a setting spray, that's ridiculous. It's super affordable, and I really like the scent of this when I did try it out, so I went ahead and picked up another one just as a backup. So I think the Jeffree Star Morphe collection, they're discontinuing it, so I think that's why all of it is on sale, because all of the Jeffree Morphe Star items, their collab is all in the clearance section. All right, next two items I picked up are also from Jaclyn Hill. This is the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss. This is the Vault collection. So I actually have Dark Magic already in my collection, which I purchased for full price, and these ones when I was on Morphe, they were only $10. So I picked up the other two that I wanted. I know there's 4, but the 4th one I wasn't really interested in. So this one is Bling Boss, and this has beautiful purples and berry tones in it. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I love this one so much. This one is one of the ones that I really wanted, like when it originally came out, but I was like, let me just purchase the one. So I picked Dark Magic, but this one is so pretty. It has so many shimmers in it, and it has a few mattes in it, but I think you can get several different looks out of this guy. And I love Jaclyn Hill. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, so I'm always going to support her. So literally all the palettes that I got today are all from Jaclyn Hill. So let me go ahead and show you the last one. So also from the Vault collection, this is the Armed and Gorgeous one. This one is just like oranges and like mustard yellows. This one is gorgeous. I cannot pass on this one. Armed and Gorgeous is what it's called again. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, and I think this will take me out of my comfort zone because I usually don't do any like yellow tones. Like I'm either doing neutrals or I'm doing like bright pinks like I have in my eyes today. So this one's going to take me out of my comfort zone, and I'm super excited about this. So this is the last thing I got from Morphe. All right, also I stopped by Ulta. So this is my little Ulta bag, and let me show you guys what I picked up. I went in store. I didn't want to really purchase anything, but when you walk into an Ulta store, you just can't not purchase anything. So I ended up walking out with a bag. So first and foremost, they're 5 for $5. I always purchase at least 5 items. It's like right when you walk into the store, they have lotions, they have like bath bombs, they have bubble baths. It's just a whole bunch of cute stuff, and it's literally $5 for 5 items. They're $1 each, but you have to get them in increments of 5. So I thought I'd pick up a couple gifts. So this one here, this are just nail filers. They're Sweet and Shimmer is the brand, and it has little candy canes, glitter red, and these are like cute little sprinkles. This is adorable. My sister and my mom uses nail files, so one of them will be finding this in their stocking because I personally don't file my nails. I don't like the way it feels. I'd rather just cut them off. So this was the first one for the 5 for $5. Next item was this cute little loofah. It was red and it has this silver thing so you can put it on a hook. They had this one and they had a green, but I really like the red. This is like a perfect gift. They have bubble baths. You can literally give someone a loofah with a bubble bath and a bath bomb, and it's a $3 gift, but it's super cute. You can put it in a bag and it's just adorable. So I went ahead and picked this one up. So I'm going to give this to one of the girls at my job. We're going to be doing Secret Santa. The third item for 5 for $5 is a bath bomb. This is the Sugar Cookie Bath Fizzer, also from Sweet and Shimmer, and I just thought this packaging was adorable. It has cookies and donuts on it. It is so cute, and I didn't get to smell it because obviously I'm going to give this away as a gift, so I don't know what it smells, but sugar cookie, you can't go wrong with that. My fourth item is also from Sweet and Shimmer. I'm assuming that's the Ulta brand, the Sweet and Shimmer, and it's just a cute little nude palette. This one is like a darker brown, this one is a nude color, and then these two are like bronzier shimmer shades. I thought this was super cute. My sister would probably like this because she's getting into makeup and she can use some neutrals. And lastly, for that 5 for $5, which I'm probably going to go back to Ulta because it's right next to my job, and get some more 5 for $5 because these are perfect stocking stuffers. And like I said, if you're doing Secret Santa at work and you get a girl, this is the perfect present, and it's $5 for 5 different items. So this is the Sugar Cookie, also from Sweet and Shimmer. This is a hand lotion. This is gigantic. This is 3 fluid ounces for $1. You can't pick this up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm sure it smells amazing. I've had these lotions before that I've purchased in the past from Ulta, and they smell really good and they moisturize my hands really well. So I'm super excited about this. I don't know if I'm going to give this away as a gift or if I'm going to keep it for myself yet. Also from Ulta, I stopped by the Wet n Wild, the little stand, and they have a new collection. This is the Star Luxe collection from Wet n Wild, and this is the Shadow Quad, and it has 4 different shades in it. Here's what this palette looks like. It has the 4 shades, and I think they go very well together. You can get a complete look out of this. You can get, honestly, several looks out of this. You can go all matte, or you can use the light brown in the crease, the dark brown in the outer V, and change out the glitter shade. So I think this is very cute, and I'm very excited to try this out. The Star Luxe, this was the only thing that I noticed that I would, you know, be interested in, but they do have a lot of things in that collection collection if y'all want to check it out. Next, I had to pick up a new favorite. This is the Essence Lash Princess, the False Lash Effect Mascara. I had tried this. I think it's like $4.99. It's super affordable, and I did want to try another Essence mascara because they had so many lined up in like the Essence little stand, but I knew this one was so good and I knew it wasn't gonna fail me, so I wanted to get a backup of this because I don't have one in my collection yet. Right now I have one from Shop Miss A, like that website, but after that one I'll probably go back to using this one because it is just so good. It elongates my lashes and makes them very long, voluminous, and just perfect. Next, from Ulta, I picked up the single shadow. This is the Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop, and I got mine in the shade I Heart This. I absolutely love the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. They're the only single shadows that I have in my collection that I actually use. Like, I have some in my collection, but I don't really gravitate towards them, and the Super Shock shadows just bring everything to the next level. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This is just so pretty. Here is what the shade looks like. I Heart This. Oh, it's so soft and beautiful. It's like a silver shimmery shade. I can just picture this all over the lid, like a very cool tones look. I think it's going to be absolutely stunning, so I'm super excited about that one. I always like picking up the Super Shock shadows. Like every time I go to Ulta, I'll probably pick another one up. I just want to build up my Super Shock shadow collection because these are just stunning and I'm constantly gravitating towards these, and I have a lot of these in my collection already that have a lot of pan in it, so I know I'm getting my use out of them and it's worth my money, and they're only like $6 and you can use a coupon on it. And last but not least, from Ulta, I picked up this I Heart Revolution fixing spray. This is the vanilla and coconut makeup fixing spray, and I figured I'd just give this guy a try, but it looks like it's not even full all the way. Like, you figured you'd purchase it, and this isn't the tester one. Like, I grabbed specifically in the back to make sure it was a new one, and this thing isn't even full, if you guys can tell. Anyway, so I picked this up. It was only $3.99. I've been trying I Heart Revolution lately because it is a sister brand to Makeup Revolution, and I love Makeup Revolution, so I'm starting to branch out and trying this brand. So hopefully this works out pretty well, and it smells like vanilla and coconut, and it's super delicious. And last but not least, I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered from Too Faced. Too Faced by far had the best packaging from the ones I ordered online, you know, Morphe and Urban Decay. So it literally came in this beautiful pink box, first of all, and then it was wrapped up so well in tissue paper and in bubble wrap, so I was very appreciative of the way that they packaged it. The main reason I wanted to go onto Too Faced website was to pick up the pumpkin palette. This is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice limited edition warm and spicy eyeshadow palette. This was also in my wish list. Like I said, I will link that video up in the eye, and so I picked up a couple that was on my wish list before even Christmas. I said I was gonna purchase it and say it was from Santa, but I obviously couldn't wait. So this one is just so gorgeous. I love their little tin eyeshadow palettes. It does, I thought it was supposed to smell like chocolate, but it kind of smells like pumpkin spice. I don't know, I heard everyone saying that it was gonna smell like chocolate and it doesn't smell like pumpkin at all, but I'm getting a pumpkin spice vibes. So this is what she looks like. It is gorgeous. You have pinks, you have purples, you have greens, you have browns, neutrals. You literally have everything in this palette. You can get so many looks out of here, and I just think that this is just absolutely gorgeous, and this is well worth the money. So I'm very excited to dip into this. I absolutely love my chocolate golds palette from Too Faced. That is my all-time favorite palette, and I know I'm gonna fall in love with this one as well. Next, I picked up this 4 lip set. This is the Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. This is the Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks from Too Faced, and it comes in the shades Hot Toddy, Candy Cane, Sugar Cookie, and Caramel Apple, and I just thought this was so cute. This is honestly a perfect Christmas present if you have that makeup lover in your life. I just personally wanted to purchase this for myself because I love the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I have a couple in my collection, and I just wanted to add a few more. The shade Cool Girl is like my everyday nude. It's not the one I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a different Too Faced one, but the Cool Girl shade is so pretty, and that one is actually drying up because I literally use it like every time I wear lipstick, and I think I'm gonna have to purchase another one pretty soon. But I wanted to pick up this one because Sugar Cookie kind of reminded me of it. It's this one here, and it's a beautiful cool tone nude, so I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of these 4 liquid lipsticks. And also, I think they're discontinuing their Tutti Frutti line. This is a Tutti Frutti Juicy Fruits Comfort Lip Glaze. It's basically just a lip gloss, and I got mine in the shade Show Me Your Coconuts. So they're discontinuing this. This was on sale, and I saw a lot of the other Tutti Frutti collection in the clearance section on Too Faced website. This is just a nude gloss. I absolutely love the packaging. It does have some glitter and shimmer in it, which I don't mind, but I just needed another nude gloss in my collection because I'm always using the same one, so I wanted to branch out, and I think this one was only like $5 or $6. $10 because it was on sale. And last but not least, the last item I picked up, this is the Too Faced Diamond Light. This actually was free. When you spent a certain amount, they were going to send you a Diamond Light highlighter. So I think that this packaging is so cute. This is the box that it comes in, and then the highlighters inside. This thing is gigantic, first of all. But I got mine in the shade Fancy Pink Diamond, and I just think that this is so pretty. It's literally like you're gonna open it up and someone's gonna propose to you. Like, I expected a ring in here, but this is so pretty. It has like a shift of pink, iridescence, and I think this is just gonna be beautiful. I don't mind pinky highlights, so, and this would be perfect if I'm doing like a pinky eye look like I am today and putting this in the inner corner. I think it would be gorgeous. So this was the last item that I picked up from Too Faced. Alrighty, so that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below if you were looking into any of these items, or if you have purchased any of these items. Let me know any tips and tricks that you have that I need to know before I start using these. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, it is the red button down below. I would love for you to join the family. I always upload just about once a week beauty related videos, and I also have blogs, I have tutorials, and I have a bunch of that stuff that you guys can check out my channel, and I will leave some of the playlists in the eyes for you. So I think I'm very excited to be trying all of this makeup. If you guys want to see any tutorials with any of these items, also leave that comment down below, and I hope you guys have a great day.